Alright guys, I just put the new battery in the E23. It's a 735i m106 turbo swap. It's been having a hard time on cold starts. It just wants to die pretty much, and I've pretty much tried to fix everything that I could think of that would be leaking, a boost leak, a vacuum leak somewhere, anything, and nothing seems to work. But I was just running for just a few minutes, and it kind of goes away after it warms up good, but then it just kind of wants to hang there. So let's see if it does it now. We'll start it up. Yeah, there it is. Do it now. There it goes again. Kind of wants to stumble. See the it gets pretty rich. Actually, no, that'd be actually lean. But I'm not sure exactly what's going on. So if anyone knows what could be going on with this, just leave a comment, see what you guys' thoughts are on it. Any help would be appreciated. Alright. Shut this off. Alright. Thanks, guys.